Hi guys, Floyd here from YOTA Campers, and I'd like to share with you our story.
Guys, it has now been 3.5 weeks since my van broke, and I've been literally living out of a broken van since, but I told you guys I was going to find a way out, that I was going to figure out how to get a new van, and I did. I manifested a new van, so I have a very special person that I want you to meet. This is Floyd.
Hello everyone, how you doing?
And this is his van.
You know, a few friends really enjoy this. We might as well open it up to the rest of the world, and so YOTA Campers was born.